You see, it's all a circle. It's all the chain, y'all. It's a circle. It's a circle. The circle of marketing. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Ty Slay back with another video. If you are a returning Ty Slay babe, thank you, boo. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and come on in into the palace with us, okay? Why? Because we be having fun, okay? But we also get down to business. Period. Tell them Ty Slay babe. We get down to business, okay? So this video, this is part 3, marketing. Marketing is so much fun because that's when you can really use your creative side. But it is a lot of work. It's definitely a lot of work, and you definitely have to know your target audience. So if you have not watched our part 1 of our little business one-on-one, I think it's titled Start Your Business. Make sure you watch that one because it tells you about your target audience, how to reach your target audience. And if you don't know your target audience, well, you should know your target audience. If you reach to part 3, you should definitely know your target audience. But if you are unsure of your target audience, it is okay. But make sure that you're working towards understanding who your target audience is, who your target market is, because it's very important. With that, you can do so much with your business, okay? And everything will come way easier. Part 3 is marketing. How do you want to present your products to the world? Like, how are you going to tell the world about your products? How? Like, there's billions of people in the world, everywhere around the world, and not just in your state, in your country. There's other countries, there's other states, everywhere. So how are you going to reach everyone around the world? Number 1, you're not going to reach everyone around the world, but you can try. At least reach half of the world, right? Why not? I can reach half of the world. And that is the mindset that you have to have. Okay, you have to be like, look, I'm going to reach millions of people. And how am I going to do it? How am I going to reach that many people? All right, y'all, let me get my notes. There's many platforms, there's many things that you can use to actually promote your business and to get your business out there. But you have to know what you can use, how you can use it, and use it to its full capacity. Full out. Either you do it full out or you don't do it at all. Okay? So the first thing, of course, that you can use, that everyone uses and that you better use too, is social media. Social media is one of the biggest marketing platforms that you can use. Okay, why? Because everyone is on social media, whether it's Instagram, whether it's Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, Pinterest. Like, there's so many platforms, Twitter. So you need to figure out which social medias you're going to focus on. You cannot focus on all of them because there's too many of them, and you're not going to be able to put your all into the ones that are actually bringing you in revenue. Number 2 is going to be postcards. So you can do postcards through the mail, and you can contact USPS. You can go right onto their website, USPS.com or Staples.com. Staples also has a program where they will send out postcards for you. So all you have to do is like put in your information. I'm not sure if they design like the card for you or give you a template where you create your own and send it to them, but then after that they go ahead and do the rest for you. So you just tell them where you want it sent and so forth, and they will just send it right out for you. The third thing is word of mouth. This is the traditional old school way of getting your products out there. Okay, word of mouth. And when I say word of mouth, I'm meaning like, if you go into a parking lot, let's say you sell cosmetics, right? And you're in the Ulta parking lot and you see customers walking out. Can you guys check out my new cosmetic line? I have skincare, I have cosmetics, I have lip gloss. I'm also a wholesaler. Here, you can take my business card. Boom. You just got your business out there. Your business is out there now. Like, okay, she knows about it. She might tell her cousin. She might tell her sister. She might tell her friend. Like, who knows? But as long as you are getting yourself out there, you're going to reach people, okay? Don't be discouraged at all. Number 4 is going to be influencers. I personally have not used an influencer yet, just because I don't know, I just don't feel like I want to do that right now. But you can definitely reach out to influencers who are maybe influencers that are connected with your brand. The 5th marketing tactic that you can use will be paid ads. Now, Instagram and Facebook, I definitely know they run ads. Pinterest also runs ads. I'm not sure about Twitter. You can spend up to, I think, like $1 up into how much you want to spend. You're definitely going to have to know your target audience. Well, what age range do you want us to reach for you? What gender do you want us to reach? What location do you want us to reach? And then they're going to ask you what interest. So then your interest is basically it's basically a bunch of hashtags. So you're just going to put a bunch of words in there that relates to your brand, to your company, and to your products. The 6th thing that you can do to market your business and to get your business out there is to participate in pop-up shops. So if your city is having pop-up shops or, events outside or whatever it is, you need to be joining those events. You need to be joining those activities. Get your business out there. Make sure you have 1 million business cards. Make sure you bring your best products. Make sure you bring enough products. You want to really sell yourself. Our next topic is going to be, when are you going to market? So there are 2 types of entrepreneurs in this world, okay? There's probably more, but I'm going to talk about the 2 that it's me. You have your first one. The first one is going to be the entrepreneur who writes everything down. They have everything on a checklist. They're very organized and they follow a system, okay? Number 2 is going to be the one who just goes with the flow of things. Very important to know when you're going to market your products. I've learned this maybe a couple months into my business when I actually started seeing results, and I'm like, okay, well, I'm only seeing things at this time of the day. A lot of engagement, a lot of story views, a lot of likes, a lot of engagement. And I'm like, okay, so I'm gonna keep posting at this time. To look at people's pages, look at their profiles, like where are they based at, what do they do, are they also a business owner, are they a potential customer? You can literally tap on someone's page and just snoop through their page. What are they interested in? Oh, okay, I see she like makeup. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna keep posting. Because she liked my video. It reached her for some reason. Remember, you're reaching everyone around the world. So when you're asleep, the other side of the world is probably up. So analyze the times that you get your most engagement. Okay, very important. Also want to post quality pictures, videos, entertaining posts, engagement posts. Ask a question, ask a couple of questions. Ask them if they want to ask you anything, if they need help with anything. Make sure you're engaging with your audience. You have to engage with your audience. Now we're going to talk about your physical marketing. So this goes with your packaging. I told you guys where to get your packaging from on a budget, okay? Slay on a budget. You can do thank you cards. You can specialize your thank you cards. Make it really creative. Make them come back. You want them to come back to your store and shop, to tag you and to mention you in their story, and that will give you exposure to their audience. Okay, so it might be people just like your customer, and they might like your stuff as well. So look, there you go. You done got yourself out there to your customers' audience. Like, hello. So what I did on my business card is I put tag us in your favorite selfie wearing your designer headband or wearing your lip gloss with your lip liner, like things like that. And that's engagement. That's more engagement, and it's also cute. I love seeing my customers in my product. Like, y'all be cute. Y'all be cute. Make sure your colors are also marketing. Like, everything should tie in together. Okay, so maybe you want your poly mailers a certain color, and then you want your thank you cards a certain color, and your website, everything should all tie in together so that they know, oh, okay, that's QK Skincare and Cosmetics. I know who that is. I know exactly who that is, because all her stuff is always pink. All her stuff is always black. Email marketing, email blasts. You can have email blasts sending them maybe a thank you email. Okay, just appreciating them. Thank you for your support. And here's a 10% coupon. There you go. Look at that. Then they came back to your store. You know what I'm saying? Keep them engaged. Make sure you let them know, like, I'm still working. I'm still over here. Where the holidays, you have certain themes, okay? Like for Christmas, what I did was more of a glitz and glam type of Christmas themes. And then for Valentine's Day, I had like a cute little sets and stuff. And you guys, you don't have to spend so much money on supplies. Like your marketing supplies. Literally go to the dollar stores. Go to your dollar stores. See what they have first. If you can't find nothing that you like, then by all means, shop online or shop where you can shop and get you some nice marketing. Okay, but because what are you going to do after? Okay, you bought all this stuff for Valentine's Day. Now it's just sitting here. Like, make it look pretty, really pretty. Put your effort into it. Don't just put it there and take a picture. Put effort into it. You know, design it very nicely. Make your own thing with it, and make it work. Y'all gotta make it work. You gotta learn how to make it work. Most importantly is your business cards. Like, you definitely have to have business cards. If you ain't got business cards, what you doing? What are you doing? So actually, with the business cards, because technology has taken over the world, I don't have business cards. I have this thing that I ordered from this website, Popl, and basically it goes on the back of my phone, and what a potential customer does is they tap my phone, well, they tap the button that I have, and it will take them straight to all of my links. So it has my website on there, it has my Instagram, it has my Facebook, it also has my YouTube. And then all they have to do is click it, and it takes them right to whichever site they clicked on. So easy, so simple. And then let's say, okay, they're in a rush. As long as they pop it, it'll still be in their web browser. Y'all know how the iPhones and stuff work. It'll still be in their web browser. So whenever they go back to they're like, oh, I forgot to click on her stuff. It's already there. It's still there. Go ahead. Just click it. Just click it. Just click it. I advise you guys to get that, especially if you're doing pop-up shops. You can also have your business cards, but it's just a new way to get people, you know, engaged and involved. And honestly, when I was doing pop-up shops and I told them to tap my phone, they were like, what is this? What is that? This is something new. Ooh, she's new. She's doing the new stuff. Okay, I like this. Just tap my phone. All right, guys, so that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned something. I hope you will use the links, the website that I'm giving you guys, so that you guys can slay on a budget, okay? Especially when you're just starting your business. Please do not try to listen. Slay on a budget, okay? Make sure you guys use the resources that I am giving you. What I tell y'all? I don't leave y'all hanging, okay? I'm here to help. I'm here to help. If you have any questions as well, please do not be scared to message me in the comments, or I will put my Instagram on here. You guys can DM me. I don't care. If you have a question, I'm more than glad to help you. I am more than glad to answer your question for you. Please reach out to me. I will try to help you the best way that I can, because that's what I do. That's what I do. Guys, I will speak to you guys later. Make sure you are subscribed so that you can go ahead and slay your business, okay?
Come on, keep it real. Come on, keep it real.